Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of bills piling up? Tired of manually entering each one into your accounting software? Well, today we're diving deep into Xero and learning how to effortlessly add paid bills. We'll cover everything from basic entry to advanced features, ensuring you streamline your workflow and save precious time. Xero is a powerful cloud-based accounting software that simplifies financial management for businesses of all sizes. One of its core functions is the ability to track and record all your expenses. Today, we're focusing on paid bills, those invoices you've received from suppliers and have already settled. Step-by-step guide. Access the bills screen. Start by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the Business menu and select Bills. You'll be presented with a list of existing bills. To add a new one, click on the New Bill button. Supplier information. The first step is to enter the supplier details. If the supplier already exists in your Xero contacts, simply select them from the drop-down menu. If they're new, click Add Supplier and fill in their information: name, address, contact details, and any relevant tax information. Bill date and due date. Enter the date the bill was issued and the date it was due. These dates are crucial for accurate financial reporting and cash flow management. Bill number and reference. Include the unique bill number provided by your supplier. You can also add a reference number for internal tracking purposes. Add line items. This is where you detail the goods or services purchased. Click Add Line Item and enter the following information for each item. Description. A clear and concise description of the product or service. Quantity. The number of units purchased. Unit price. The cost per unit. Account. Select the appropriate expense account from your chart of accounts. This is crucial for accurate categorization and financial reporting. Tax rate. Apply the correct tax rate if applicable. You can add multiple line items for each bill. Tracking categories. Optional. Xero allows you to track expenses beyond basic accounting categories. For example, you can track expenses by project, customer, or department. This provides valuable insights into your business operations and helps you make informed decisions. Attachments. Optional. Upload any supporting documents related to the bill, such as the original invoice or receipt. This helps maintain a complete and organized record of your expenses. Record payment. Since we're dealing with a paid bill, we need to record the payment. In the Payments section, enter the following. Payment date. The date the payment was made. Account used. Select the bank account or credit card used to make the payment. Amount paid. Enter the total amount paid. Payment method. Select the payment method used, e.g., check, electronic transfer, cash. Click Save. Advanced features. Recurring bills. If you receive bills from the same supplier on a regular basis, e.g., monthly rent, utilities, you can set up recurring bills in Xero. This automates the bill creation process, saving you significant time and effort. Bill approvals. For added security and control, you can set up a workflow for bill approvals. This ensures that all bills are reviewed and authorized by the appropriate personnel before being recorded in Xero. Bank feeds. Xero can automatically import bank transactions, including bill payments. This eliminates the need for manual entry and reduces the risk of errors. Benefits of using Xero for bill management. Improved accuracy. Reduces the risk of human error associated with manual entry. Enhanced efficiency. Streamlines the bill payment process and saves time. Better cash flow visibility. Provides real-time insights into cash flow and helps you manage expenses effectively. Improved financial reporting. Generates accurate and up-to-date financial reports. Increased productivity. Automates repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Tips and best practices. Reconcile your bank accounts regularly to ensure that all transactions are accurately recorded in Xero. Keep your supplier information up to date to avoid errors and delays in bill processing. Utilize Xero's reporting features to gain valuable insights into your spending patterns and identify areas for cost savings. Explore Xero's mobile app for convenient access to your bills and other financial information on the go. By following these steps and leveraging the advanced features of Xero, you can effectively manage your bills, streamline your accounting processes, and gain a better understanding of your business finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.